put string trimmer line on. Different string trimmers may take line different ways. So for this right here, we have this, and then over here we have that. So a quick way is to take a screwdriver and kind of push in, spin it around, kind of push in, and it should pop off. There we go. So we have that, and then this part should come out. Okay. So we take the string and we slide it through the middle. Slide through the middle, it comes out the other end. We want it to be about the middle, so we put the two lines together. Do this right here. Now this, it's important for the string to be even, and it needs to be wound without a bunch of really loose parts sticking out. We wind it, and we wind it, but this is the way to do it. So, here is the hard part. The hard part is to put it through each of these holes right here. Here's one, and here's one, and not have the line come all undone. So one, we can slide this in. You want to try to hold it and slide that one in, and try to put everything on without it coming off the spool. So like that. Looks successful over there, and this, there we go. So that could have been harder. Now we take this, and there's a spot right here, and then there's this right here. So we put that right here, and we snap it in, and we snap it in. So that, my friends, is how to put string trimmer line on a string trimmer.